How to get emotes in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get emotes in 8-ball pool. Getting emotes in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Level up. Emotes are often unlocked as you level up in the game. As you gain experience point and increase your player level, you will unlock different emotes automatically. Complete achievements. Certain achievements can reward you with emotes. Check the achievement section in the game to see if any specific tasks will unlock new emotes upon completion. Purchase emote. Some emotes can be bought directly from the in-game shop using coin or cash. Open the shop and look for the emote section to see available option for purchase. Specific events. Occasionally, the game hosts a special event or promotion that may allow you to earn exclusive emotes. And here you go, these are some ways you can get emotes in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.